Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the quick access settings on MSI MAG 321 CUP. When you click on the OK, when you click on the button on the back button, you open the menu. But when you instead of clicking on it, slide to the left, you open the alarm clock. When you swipe to the right, to the up, you change game mode settings. When you swipe to the right, it's input source, and to down, it changes the smart crosshair. And if you want to change these quick settings to do something else, click on OK, then go down to Navi Key, then go to the right, and now for up, you can set it to any of these options, as you can see. For down, you can also change it. Remember that when you change it, you need to click on OK to approve. You can also set it to left and right. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.